What is tan alpha 2, which is b over a? It will be root 3 over 3. Then alpha 2 is tan inverse of root 3 over 3, which implies that alpha 2 is, we have seen that tan inverse of root 3 over 3 is pi over 6, which is pi over 6. Now, which quadrant is this complex number located? So we're going to see where it is located. Its A on x-axis is positive, its B on y-axis also is positive. They're in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant. And remember, in the first quadrant, angle equal to alpha, meaning that angle 2 equal to alpha 2. So our angle 2 is pi over 6. Then from there, what is Z? Z equal to T over W. It is T over W. Remember, when you divide Z1 over Z2, you divide the modulus and you subtract our angles. So therefore, our Z in the polar form equal to 2 root 3 over 2 root 3, because R2 is 2 root 3, even R1 is 2 root 3. That's why I'm taking 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. Into bracket, cos of angle 1, negative pi over 6, minus angle 2, minus pi over 6. Plus I sine negative pi over 6 minus pi over 6. So now Z, what is the answer for Z? 2 root 3 over 2 root 3, that is 1. No need of writing 1. Then when you take negative pi over 6 minus pi over 6, LCM is 6. That is negative 2 pi over 6, which is negative pi over 3. So it will be what? Negative pi over 3. So it will be cos of negative pi over 3 plus I sine negative pi over 3. So this is Z in the polar form. And remember, the question is asking to express Z equal to 3 minus I3 divided by, to express Z equal to 3 minus IL3 divided by 3 plus IL3 in trigonometric form. In trigonometric form. So we're going to express this one in trigonometric form. And now what we have here, it is already in trigonometric form. So what I'm going to do here is to complete this one. I write it in the trigonometric form very well. Z equal to cos negative pi over 3 plus I sine negative pi over 3. Remember, when you have cos of negative alpha equal to cos of that angle. Cos of a negative angle equal to cos of that angle. Sine of negative alpha equal to negative sine alpha. So that's what we're going to use. So mean that our Z will be equal to cos pi over 3 minus I sine pi over 3. This is Z in trigonometric form. In trigonometric form. So now, what is Z power 18? What is Z power 18 in algebraic form? What will be Z power 18? Remember, when you have Z equal to R into bracket cos angle plus I sine angle, then Z power n becomes R power n into bracket cos any angle plus I sine any angle. So now we have Z equal to cos negative pi over 3 plus I sine negative pi over 3. So Z power 18 The answer is cos negative 18 pi over 3 plus I sine negative 18 pi over 3. So 18 divided by 3, that is 6. This is cos negative 6 pi plus I sine negative 6 pi. So which is the same as cos of a negative angle is cos of that angle. Sine of a negative angle is negative sine angle. This is cos of 6 pi minus I sine 6 pi. Remember, cos 6 pi is the same as cos 2 pi, which is 1. Then sine 6 pi, it is 0. That's like plus 0i. So our z power 18 equal to what? To 1 in algebraic form. So that's the answer for number 2. That's how we're going to, actually this is the final answer for number 2. So let us go to number 3. So number 3, it is number 10 from REB 2005. Number 10 from REB 2005. So by using the De Moivre theorem, we're going to express sin 5x as a polynomial in sin x. So you know that the De Moivre theorem says, it says when you have cos of angle plus I sine angle power n, this becomes cos n angle plus I sine n angle. When you have cos angle plus I sine angle, becomes cos n angle plus I sine n angle. So now, if I need sin 5x, it means that I'll use cos x plus I sine x, then power 5. Because I need cos 5x or sin 5x. This will be by using the De Moivre theorem, it will be cos 5x plus I sine 5x. But remember, we need to express sin 5x in a polynomial of sin x or in terms of sin x only. What do? We use binomial expansion. We use binomial expansion. Expansion. So you know when you have like a plus b power 5, this is combination from 0 to 1. I mean 0 to 5. A power 5 b power 0 plus combination is 1 5 a power 4 b power 1 plus combination 2 5 a power 3 b power 2. You see the power of b is the one which is here, and the power of a is reducing by 1, and when you add the power of a plus the power of b equal to this power, you see 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, like that. So then plus 3 5 a power 2 b power 3 plus 4 5 a power 1 b power 4 plus 5 5 a power 0 b power 5. So finally, this is a plus b power 5, which is, this is 1, remaining with a power 5 only. This is 5 a power 4 b power 1. So this is, let me find this, the value of that one. I think it is 10, but let me find it. Combination, we have combination 2 to 5. It is 10, a power 3, b power 2. So even here is, let me find it. Also it is 10, a squared, b power 3, plus, this is 5, a b power 4, this is 1, b power 5. So we can also use Pascal triangle to get that one. So then, if we have a plus b power 5, which is a power 5, plus 5 a power 4 b power 1, plus 10 a power 3 b squared, plus 10 a squared b power 3, plus 5 a b power 4, plus b power 5. So what about cos x plus I sin x power 5? So mean that cos x is going to act as A, I sin x is going to act as B. So this is, the answer of that is A power 5, that's cos power 5x, plus 5 cos power 4x into bracket I sin x, plus 10 cos power 3x into bracket I sin x squared, plus 10 cos squared x into bracket I sin x power 3, plus 5 cos x into bracket I sin x power 5, plus I sin x, sorry, this is power 4, I sin x power 5. So which means that cos x plus I sin x power 5, the answer is cos power 5x, then I sin x times 5 cos power of x, that is plus 5i sin x cos power 4x. Then I squared, remember that is negative 1, this will be negative 10 cos power 3x sin squared x. Then I power 3, it is negative I, this will be negative 10i cos squared x sin power 3x. Then I power 4, because this is power 4, this is power 4. I power 4, it is 1, which is plus 5 cos x sin power 4 x. Then I power 5, it is I, plus I sin power 5x. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to group real part together and imaginary part together. So the answer here is, we're going to see where there is a real part only. We have cos power 5x. Another real part is minus 10 cos power 3x sin squared x. Another real part is plus 5 cos x sin power 4x. Plus, I'm going to consider imaginary part only now. So the imaginary part, the first one is 5 sin x cos power 4, 5 sin x cos power 4x. Another part is minus 10 cos squared sin power 3x. Another part is sine power 5x. So real part plus imaginary part. So this is the value of